Hi and welcome to Steam-Powered Family. Today we're going to be making a rain stick. Now we just need some quick and simple supplies in order to make our rain stick. For the tube, you're going to want a postal tube so it's a little stronger for doing this activity, and you're going to want nails that are no longer than the diameter of your postal tube. Now, on the tube, you're going to notice that there's some nice fine lines that wrap their way around the tube. We're going to use those as a guide when we're making our marks here. And we're going to be making our marks 2 centimeters apart. You may need to adjust the distance of these dots if you're using larger items inside of your rain stick to make the different sounds. And we're going to be testing different items in a moment. So as you can see, we're going to follow those little lines all the way around, and then we're going to mark them with a marker just to make them a little easier to see. Then we're going to use an owl or a nail to just make those holes a little bit bigger. It just makes this a little easier for the kids to do if you can just make those holes a little larger. Now we're going to take our nails and we're just going to very gently tap them into place. So you can see now why it's really important that those nails don't go all the way through the other side. And we're just going to work our way all the way around, putting those into place. And you just want to tap them very lightly so you don't damage the tube. There we go. Now we're going to take the ends and we just cut those out of some simple cardboard. And we're going to glue them into place. And I will say that the kids really love this activity where they get to nail those nails into place. They really have a lot of fun with that. So once we've got the cap on, we're going to let that dry. Make sure it's on there nice and secure. And now we're going to test some of our different fillings. So here we just have some decorative stones that we're going to test in there, and we want to listen for the different sounds that the different materials make. Now you can use lots of different fillings here. We're testing some that we had on hand. So the next one we're going to test is just some uncooked rice. And you can see that's a much more gentle sound than the larger items. Now we're going to use some popcorn kernels. And we're going to see how that changes the sound. And now we have some uncooked beans. Now, once you've tested all your different sounds, what I recommend is having your kids make their own sound potion. So take the different pieces that they like the best and make their own combination to make their own special and unique sound in their rain stick. Once they've got their perfect sound, give it a little test. There you go. I think we got a great mix there. So now we're going to glue the end onto our tube. Once you've glued the end on, you're not going to be able to change the inside, so make sure that the kids are really happy with the sound that it makes. And then once you've got that end glued on, decorate it, and your rain stick is all finished and ready to go. This is a fantastic sensory project that you can do with your kids that they'll have a lot of fun with, and you can use it as part of your classroom lessons. If you need more ideas, please visit steampoweredfamily.com. Bye for now.